How to enable or disable cellular data for mail on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Mail. In here at the top, tap on Cellular Data. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it to switch it on. Now, if you do not want the Mail app to use up your mobile data or cellular data, you can tap on the toggle button so it will be switched off, and from now on it can only retrieve mails once you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, you can turn this one on, and if you are not connected to a Wi-Fi, it will try to retrieve mail using cellular data. After that, you can tap on the back key and swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.